Review topic 17, periodic table organization. So, Dmitri Mendeleev came up with the first periodic table, and his periodic table was arranged by atomic mass. Kind of the amazing thing about his table is he left blanks for undiscovered elements and predicted their properties like creepingly accurate. And he couldn't explain why there were a couple of glitches in arranging by atomic mass. How we arrange a modern periodic table, and thanks to Moseley, is that we arrange it by atomic number. When we arrange it by atomic number, those weird little glitchy things that Mendeleev couldn't explain gets resolved. So we arrange it in order of increasing atomic number or increasing number of protons. And then when we talk about the periodic table organization in general, we have groups and we have periods. And I have two little tricks to help you remember which is which. So a group is a column, a vertical column like this. A period is a horizontal row like this. Elements in the same group share the same number of valence electrons. Elements in the same period share the same number of occupied energy levels, meaning the same number of energy levels that have electrons in them. So let me just show you a couple of quick tips and tricks to remember which is which as far as group or period. Okay, so when you're writing a sentence, okay, so let's just write chemistry is fun. When you write a sentence, you put a period at the end. So sentences go like this. So periods go across like this, okay? And another way to remember it is to actually match the words together. So watch this. Groups. Periods. Groups go vertical. Periods go horizontal. Now, they are labeled on your periodic table. So let's just look quickly what that means, because sometimes people still interpret it incorrectly. So you see right here, it says group. That means this, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that means this way, going vertically. On this end of the periodic table, and sometimes people miss it, here's the word period, and it says it's in this little box. So this is period 1, period 2, period 3. So these go horizontally like this. So this period has 1 occupied energy level. This period has 2 occupied energy levels, and so on. Okay, and there you have it, how the periodic table is organized.